Is there a best time to buy real estate? Oh boy, yes, there is. If you want to get into real estate, you might be wondering when the best time to invest is. After all, in an economy with high interest rates, high prices, high inflation, it's a great question to start asking to consider the full picture here. But I'm going to let you in on a little secret that all successful real estate investors know. The best time to buy real estate is right now. Literally, every investor who has made a lot of money in this business and understands it will always tell you the best time to invest in real estate is right now. And it doesn't matter if you're watching this video the day it publishes or a month from now or years down the line. My answer will be the same. It's always the right time to buy real estate. Anytime, any month, any year, any market cycle. Real estate is always a smart investment. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. Number one, it's a tangible asset. A piece of real estate is always going to be a smart investment because of its inherent value. It comes with less risk, less volatility than investing in stocks. Appreciation makes buying real estate a no-brainer. I don't invest primarily for appreciation. That's really the icing on the cake for me, but I do think it's important to consider its benefits. As a long-term buy and hold investor, appreciation is powerful because it allows you to slowly and steadily build your net worth and allows you to further leverage your properties along the way as you grow. So the longer you own your properties, the more they're going to be worth. Adding to your net worth is another great reason I love investing in real estate right now, because every time you add a piece of real estate to your portfolio, you're increasing your net worth. Rich people buy assets in every phase of the economy. You can't control factors like interest rates or inflation, but you can add to your net worth with real estate investments. As I mentioned, Natalie and I just bought 4 additional properties. We just closed on a few weeks ago, and we're buying 2 more right now actively. So that's 6 properties in this environment right now where, oh my gosh, interest rates are a little bit higher and things have slowed down a little bit and we're worried about inflation. Yeah, but guess what? Rates are coming back down and I can always refinance later. I want to be in the market and I want to have assets in my portfolio that are adding to my net worth. And then, of course, I can refinance later if I want to. Plus the tax benefits. That's next on my list. The tax benefits of investing in real estate are unlike any other asset class. There's a reason why the wealthiest people in the world, including members of Congress, own real estate portfolios. You get the tax deductions, the depreciation. It allows you to keep more of your money in your pocket. In fact, you get a deduction not only for the money you've invested in your property, but also the money that you've borrowed from the bank. Think about that. You get a deduction from the money you borrowed from the bank to buy real estate. You're not going to get that buying gold. There are so many different tax strategies available to real estate investors that don't exist for any other asset class. Can I borrow money from the bank to go and buy silver and gold and then expect to get a tax deduction for it? Nope. Sorry, you can't. So be sure to work closely with a smart CPA who can help you strategize and plan. I highly suggest working with a CPA that understands real estate. If they don't understand real estate investing, it's time to shop around for another CPA. You know, there's a popular real estate investing saying that it's not timing the market, it's time in the market. This means that instead of waiting for the perfect market conditions, buy solid investments as soon as you can, right now. Over time, you're going to come out ahead if you have the right fundamentals in place. Remember that investing in real estate is a long-term strategy. Your goals shouldn't change based on the wavering market conditions or what the Federal Reserve does. That's ridiculous. Waiting is a bad move because time is going to pass you by. You go from being 40 years old, now you're 45 years old. Those 5 years that you wasted because the Fed did something, you've wasted 5 years of buying an appreciating asset in your portfolio. The leverage that you could have taken from those properties to buy additional properties, gone. 5 years down the drain. Don't wait on the Fed and banks and their interest rates. Do it now for your own self and your own family. Think of it like this. Is there ever a perfect condition in life ever? Is there ever a perfect timing to reach other goals in your life, like getting in shape, starting a family, growing your career? No. You can always find reasons to put things off. Oh, it's raining outside. I can't run today. I can't go outside in the rain. I can't exercise. No. I have a bit of a scratchy sore throat. I can't ask that person out on a date and see maybe I end up marrying that person, right? There's never a perfect time. Anything worthwhile is worth beginning right now. You're never going to have all of the answers, so start right now. If you're interested in learning about how to fit real estate investing into your financial goals, let's chat. My team of experts would love to discuss this topic with you further and help you determine how buying rental real estate can help you build wealth. We have a free phone call service. Just go to our website, go to morrisinvest.com. There's a big book a call button right there on the front page of our website. Click it and a little calendar will pop up and you pick a 30-minute window in your life that's the best 30 minutes for you. Make sure you put in your correct phone number and then we will call you at that time. And also make sure you put in your correct email address because we'll send you a few PDFs that you can download for free ahead of our phone call to help you prepare for that phone call to make the most of it. Again, totally free. We would love to talk with you. So go out there, everyone. Take action. Become a real estate investor. I believe it's the number one way to build wealth. We'll see you next time.